Hey kids, while there's still snow on the ground, I want to show you a really fun project that you can do with the snow. So it's time for a little Rad Lab Snowy Science. Let me show you what you need for this project. So this is what you need. First, you need some gloves because it's cold out here and you got to stay toasty. Then we're going to grab some stuff from the kitchen. Some cups. Paper cups is good. This is baking soda from your cupboard. You also need some dish soap from your sink. And this is vinegar. I had to bring it from home, so it's not in the container, but it's just vinegar. And last thing you need is some food coloring. All I have at the library is blue and green. All right, we're going to start by putting 2 spoonfuls of baking soda into a cup. Then we're going to put a squirt of dish soap. Doink. The last thing I'm going to do is put some drops of food coloring in. Pick whatever colors you have. Blue and green are not that exciting when they mix together, but what would happen if I put blue and red in there? Do you know what color mixes that makes? All right, we're ready. Let's go make our volcano. So I brought my supplies over here in the snow, and look, I made a snow volcano. That was fun. Hey, I had to leave a hole at the top where we're gonna put our cup. So let's do that. Just be really careful when you're putting the cup in the hole that you protect it so no snow gets inside. You want to keep that dry. Now we're ready to pour our vinegar in and see what happens to our volcano. The lava should bubble up and spill out over the sides. Let's see. Pouring vinegar. Here it comes. Ooh. Blue and green make like turquoisey blue. That's a pretty color, but this is not exploding the way I wanted it to. Let's add some more vinegar. So here goes all my vinegar. I hope this works. Whoa. Oh, yes, look, it's overflowing. Awesome. I wish I had more vinegar, but this is all that I brought. So I think you are going to have to do this for me. Maybe you could make more than one volcano at home and use different color food coloring and experiment and see how much vinegar works best. Please give it a try. I think you're going to have a lot of fun. And let me know how it works out. Thanks, everybody.